Getting passes out. Space is open up. Harshidore, good touch with the left. Rugwediole on the right foot, but Sukwani approaches. Controls, turns. Manish with the left foot, but he slides down, and Stan makes sure the goal doesn't happen. But James, the rebound touch was very easy for him. He's gonna control the ball. Vix rotates the ball backwards towards Lalit. Lalit tries a shot. Oh, that would have been such a great against two people. Sritej curls the ball to the midfield. A chance here for Vix. It's gonna hit the cross. Take advantage of it. Rugwediole gets a good touch. He's not gonna exactly win the challenge. James was open for any space. The stretch doesn't work out. Here's Sritej winning the ball. Here's good chance. Harshidore saves. Doesn't quite work out, but the turn from Chaco, it's a hefty one. 1-on-1. The goal was open for the shot. Chaco puts a pass. That should be in. Another one. Trying. Bhavan is open. Rugwediole tries to poke it in. Lets it out towards the behind. Mungi wins the ball. Sritej. Stan. A good turn, but Manish almost on the edge of winning the ball. Chaco tries, gonna hit the mark. Chaco slams the equalizer with his left foot. Deole against Chaco. Sritej turns. Sritej puts a pass behind. Chaco tries. Harshidore. Here's a pass on the midfield. Mungi on the strike. That is gonna be a miss. Sritej, really good fake, but this is a problematic opportunity. Stan wins the ball. Never mind, Colts. Oh, the hurried effort from Stan Lalit, and he wins the ball. That is well done. Rugwediole, they're 2-on-1. Rugwediole to finish it in. Jets, they will not make a mistake. Lalit muscles it in. Ashish, the promising pass and attack is now. Colts still trying. Oh, really good goal scored. This is Stan making the difference. He was inches away. Okay, let's focus on the game now. This is Galacticos. KD trying a shot. It's gonna hit the post. Amod lets the ball bounce. Melvin puts a pass. Aniket, that should be a goal. Oh, beautiful. Abbas, well positioned and well. Here's a ball intercepted by Galacticos. Galacticos breaking in. Aniket. Oh, he's gonna try a Abhishek Tripathi, a good turn that should have been lead. Headed away by Abdullah Khan, a really adept player. Melvin tries, Sean Zagare saves it, but it's out of bounds already. Satyam, long range ball. Melvin, beautiful goal. Melvin gets a goal, and who else to assist except Satyam? Doesn't give it away exactly to Gaurav. The passes work out. Saad on the break. Satyam saves. That is cleverly done. Good strength on the ball, Vajra, and he lets out a shot from him. This is a chance for Adnan. Gaurav. That's a really good goal. Gaurav doesn't make a mistake. His movement was so... to the ball, holding on to the score. Abdullah Khan sets it out behind. Gaurav chops to the left. The strike is wide and be claimed. That's a ridiculous amount of determination Mavericks will need. Saved at the grace. Long range pass from Kedar. A real chance. Really good cutting. The goal is open. It's a beautiful goal. Aniket. He was dancing with the ball. Here's a pass inside. A really good shot. And that is going to hit the side post. Corner taken. Mapi dribbles. The ball is in. Goal scored. Mavericks the goal. And he'll be successful. Here's a pass. Saad. Saad turns. Saad delivers. Satyam. Suryan. His ball is intercepted. Abdullah Khan tries to put a pass. Abbas to put across. He's going to go for a shot. This is Gaurav. A beautiful dribbling technique. Spectacular though. Very crowd-pleasing dribbling. Krishna, that is unnecessary risk. Rewarded with a goal. 5th goal for Galacticos. Here's a pass from Suraj Kadam. A really good chance. Saved by Sanskar. Nikhil in the height. That is well done on the pass. But the ball snatch is good. Sanskar gets another save. Gangs, he has lost the ball. The goal is wide open. Suraj Kadam, he will concede an early goal. Vivan, he does not hesitate as the goal. Ishan, he's free. 360s to the right. He has given the ball away. Nikhil Narayan. Another save. Sunset out to the right. Here's a pass. The tap in. Saved by Sanskar. Suraj Kadam to take the ball in again. Rebound scored. Finally, Ralph does it. I mean, it was a painful one. Nikhil turns to the right. He's zoned away from Ishan. He'll play a pass behind. Ralph strikes. Sanskar collect. Nikhil. One player to go against. Nikhil Narayan strikes. Sanskar. Now. Atish. Really good pass. Ralph on the volley. He has lost balance. Pass played behind. Ralph collects. Ralph tries. Sanskar makes them. It's led out. An open chance. Ishan. Here's a pass. Swatej. Oh my God.
Don't you know we all need someone to
That's a good ball. Ron Gokte flattens the ball down. Running away with it. Tries a shot. It's off. Pass for Maitreya. Maitreya tries. That is a fantastic goal. This is Forza Deccan still running away with it. Chance here. Saved. Rajo. And the ball collection was questionable from Rajo. A really good goal from Hemu. Hemu puts freakers in that midfield area. A real chance. Hemu to put it in. Avinash. Fantastic. Anmol. Anmol tries to get it in. Kalpak stands in the way. Ball played behind. Nani tries a deflection. It's a ridiculously agonizing one. Forza Deccan. They've found their first goal. And if they can find the second one, that was close. Kao puts a pass. Oh, that is a good let through. Ritik Patil. Can he get it in? Yes. Another one deflected into the net. Looks like the deflection by Nani. Rohan Gokte. Rohan Gokte's turn. It's still here, bro. What a goal that would have been. Gonna be given. Free kick is the call. Avinash. Oh, really good strike. Saved by Roger. Avinash. Directly going for it. Roger saves again. Yes. That is a goal score. Ron Gokte, the turn is good. He is now getting spaces opened up. That is going to be over the bar. Very good try.
feel like every card's right now.
Controlling touch is good. Shri squares it up. Ishwar Shirsagar. The opening is there. Saved by Preetham. Preetham. Oh, that's a really good header. Chance here for Butter. He'll play the ball in. Goal scored. Ishwar Shirsagar. Malli puts a pass. Afebi on the turn. That could be the goal, but Sumit Bhandari's shot. Shirsagar puts a pass. Sumit Bhandari with a chance. One player to beat. And that is saved. The pass towards Dhiren. Dhiren, really good pass. Shubham Portgan, not given any space. Oh, such a good send ball. Nal. Nal tries. The pass is going to divert towards Callis. It's going to hit the post, but not go in. Free kick taken. Nal gets the hit. This is going to be defended. And that will be target missed. Febin trying his best to win the ball. This is Shubham Portgan. Portgan and Shri. Malli. Oh, that's a decent ball for Febin. Febin tries. Preetham making another ball stolen. This is Satish accelerating on the left wing. Smashes it. Preetham saves. Be the chance Ghana to try the cross. It's blocked. Rebound saved. Preetham another fine save. And here's a ball toe poked in. Abhishek to try and get it in. Preetham beaten on the far post. Abhishek, a screaming goal with his left foot, and the green jersey is kissed with celebration. Preetham puts it up. Nal sets it up. Dhiren tries. Balli. The rebound is put out. Abhishek. He's gonna hit it into the player. Chance here to put it in. Goal scored.